Hey lovelies! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. September is officially the time to get ready for the cold. This means that soon we will need outerwear that will warm us on cold evenings and early autumn. So in today's episode of review, I will show you a detailed overview of a stylish parka made of white linen. It is so versatile and comfortable that it has the right to be used as a thing for every day. When sewing it, we use the technologies that are presented in our course Parka Transforming Cashmere 3-in-1. Stand-up collar, dovetailed sleeve, top pockets in darts, volume pockets under the drawstring, fly-off details, and sleeve with a turn up. Despite the many nuances, the product looks very compact, and white linen adds elegance to such a familiar at first, but actually ready for everyday wardrobe detail. Today I'm wearing jeans, sandals and t-shirt because I want to show you this white linen parka. White linen and white cambric lining. Nice jacket. The sleeves are widened. Everything is done to model the park. The line of yoke and the small detail goes from it. Look how the parka decorates me. And here you can see the pockets. I really like this parka. It is lined. The length was not chosen by accident. I don't like long jackets, although all our clients always ask for more authenticity, but for me long top things add edge. Round pockets with buttons. Now I will take off the parka and show you on the table in detail. I took a very beautiful parka and show it to you. Cambric hanger. Pay attention to the piping, neckline. The zipper is sewn on symmetrically, embossed pocket. It creates volume. Batiste detail on the back. I think it turned out very nicely. I have red jeans that I want to wear with this parka, although everything looks good with white, like any color. I hope you enjoyed this little review from me. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!